shoppers, I promise this video will be quick and helpful. I have got 5 awesome grab-and-go garden gifts for the plant lover in your life. Okay, number 1, I promise you, you can never ever go wrong with a Van Wilgen's gift card. So when in doubt, get a gift card. It'll always be a hit. Next, number 2, we have this awesome little gardening gift basket in the self-watering festive pot with gloves, seeds, a really good gardening tool. Pair that with a Van Wilgen's gift card and you have the perfect grab-and-go gift. Really simple, it's already pre-packaged for you. Number 3, this adorable little bonsai tree. Perfect when you're thinking outside of the box for a plant lover that has practically every other houseplant in their house. Paired with a Van Wilgen's gift card, awesome gift. Number 4, move on to the classic poinsettia. Beautiful white poinsettia in this self-watering pot to make it even quicker. Paired with a Van Wilgen's gift card. And you're good to go. Then last but not least, number 5, this gorgeous rosemary tree that smells absolutely great, very fragrant, paired with a Van Wilgen's gift card, and you've got it. 5 gifts, easy shopping at Van Wilgen's Garden Center. Now go ahead, finish up your Christmas shopping. Thanks so much. See you next year.